Hello students, we are going to start part 5 of this chapter, percentage. Now our first question is, I buy a TV for rupees 10,000 and sell it at a profit of 20%. How much money do I get? So here the cost price is given and here the profit percentage is given. So cost price of the TV is 10,000 and your profit percentage is 20%. Now we can use the formula profit equals to profit percentage multiplied by CP multiplied with 1 upon 100. So from that we can calculate the profit. So our profit will be 10,000 multiplied with 20 multiplied with 1 by 100. Now 0 cancels out with 0 and profit I will get 2,000 rupees. So here the profit is 2,000. Now I have cost price, I have profit. I can find out the selling price by using the formula cost price plus profit. So from here our selling price will be 10,000 plus 2,000, that is 12,000 rupees. Okay. Now we come on the next question. A shopkeeper sells an article at rupees 320, thus suffering a loss of 20%. So here the selling price is given and here the loss percentage is given and we need to find out the cost price. So first thing, we can assume that the cost price is N. Now selling price is given 320 and loss percentage is given 20%. So we know that loss is equal to CP minus SP, cost price minus selling price. So from here, because we have taken cost price as N, I can write N minus 320. That is our loss. Now I will use the formula of loss percentage. Loss percentage formula is loss upon CP into 100. So from here I can write loss percentage was 20. Loss is your N minus 320 upon CP is N multiplied with 100. Now this N is multiplied on this side because it is divided here, so it is multiplied on this side, and this 100 is multiplied with N and 320. So I will get 20N equals to 100N minus 100 multiplied with 320 will give you 32,000. Okay. Now I am taking this 32,000 on this side and 20N on this side. So I will get this 32,000 becomes positive and this 20N becomes negative. So I will get this. Now 100N minus 20N can be written as 80N. Now to calculate N, I need to divide with 80. So dividing it with 80, I will get N equals to 32,000 upon 80, that is 400. Okay. A trader sold some damaged garments at rupees 7,360 at loss of 8%. Find the cost price of the garment. So here selling price is given 7,360 and we can just take that cost price is N because we need to find out the cost price. So I am assuming cost price is N. Now loss is as loss, you know, that is your SP minus CP, your selling price minus cost price. So here N minus 7,360 I can write. Now using the formula loss percentage is equal to loss upon CP into 100, I can write 8 is your loss percentage given equals to N minus 7360 upon N into 100. Now this N is multiplied on that side and this 100 is multiplied with both of them. So here I will get 8N equals to 100N minus 7,000 this 736,000. Okay. Now this I will send on this side and 8N I will bring on this side. So this will become positive and this will become negative. So here I will get this 7,36,000 equals to 100 minus 8N. Okay. Or 100N minus 8N will give you 92N is equal to 7,36,000, or N, to solve for N I can just divide with 92. So I will get that N is equal to 8,000 rupees. So this was your cost price and he has sold on this. So that's why he is suffering a loss. Now next question. By selling an article for rupees 4,550, Tony incurs a loss of 9%. What percent he gain or lose by selling it for this much? Now your selling price is given this and loss percentage is given this. So first thing I need to find out the cost price. So again I can take cost price as N. Now I will use the formula loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. So from here I can write loss is equal to N minus 4550. So now I will use the formula loss percentage is equal to loss upon CP into 100. So from here I can write loss percentage was 9 and loss is N minus 4550 upon cost price we have taken N multiplied with 100. Now N is again multiplied here and this 100 is multiplied with both of them. So I can write 9N equals to 100N minus 4,55,000. Okay. Now this 9N is subtracted on this side and this goes on that side, so it will become positive. So I can write this. Now 100N minus 9N will give you 91N equals to this. Now to solve for N, I need to divide with 91. So I will get N equals to 5,000. Then we have 5,000 our cost price, and here again the selling price is given 4,825. Again we need to find out loss percentage. So here cost price is 5,000 and selling price is given this. So we can see that selling price is less. So again we will have loss. So loss will be of 5,000 minus 4,825. That is loss will be of 175 rupees. Now to find out loss percentage, loss upon CP into 100. So 175 upon 5,000 multiplied with 100, that will be loss percentage will be our 3.5%.